Have you ever wondered what's really happening inside your brain when you learn a new language? It's not just memorizing words, it's a fascinating process of rewiring. Imagine your neural pathways lighting up like constellations, forming new connections every time you practice. That's your brain physically changing, building a superhighway to English fluency. It's pure science, and you can make it work for you. So, how do we trigger this amazing brain transformation? It starts with smart techniques. First, there's spaced repetition. Think of it like watering a plant. You don't flood it all at once. You water it at just the right intervals to help it grow strong. That's how you should review new words and phrases for them to stick in your long-term memory. Next, immerse yourself in comprehensible input. This means listening to and reading English that you can mostly understand. Even if you don't know every single word, like enjoying a storybook with beautiful pictures that help you follow along. It makes learning feel natural and effortless, not like a chore. Then try shadowing. This is a powerful technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say in real time. It's like syncing your voice with theirs, training your mouth muscles and your ear to catch the rhythm and intonation of English. You'll be amazed at how quickly your accent improves. And don't forget about immersion. You don't need to move to another country to do this. Start small. Label things around your home, your desk, the window, a cup. Create your own little English world and try thinking directly in English. When you see an apple, think apple, not your native word first. This simple shift is a game changer. By combining these methods, you're not just learning English. You're training your brain to operate in it. You're building confidence with every word. It's a journey, but one where every step forward feels rewarding. Ready to start rewiring your brain for fluency? Practice daily and train your brain for fluency with English Hub Online. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.